Me and my friends together witnessed a glamorous and knowledge-giving event. In our school, there was conducted a fire awareness campaign where we were educated about several things related to fire.
We were taught about a fire triangle and the various components which consisted. It included oxygen, fuel, and heat. So, if any of these components are absent, fire will not be possible.
नमस्ते, मी साहिल मात्रे, एक्सपर्ट सिक्युरिटी सर्व्हिसेस मधून आलोय. आज MIT VGS यांनी एक खूप चांगला इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन एक प्रोग्राम केला होता, फायर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम सगळ्या स्टुडंटसाठी, जो आम्ही त्यांना मदत करत होतो ट्रेनिंग देण्यासाठी. हा एक चांगला इनिशिएटिव्ह आहे जो शाळेनी स्टुडंटसाठी घेतला गेलेला आहे.
Today, after the life practical of how to save ourselves in fire, we have learned how to rescue people and also how it will be beneficial for me in my future. I'm sure that if in the further life this kind of accident will happen, the students of MIT VGS will be first to take initiative and to rescue the all.
We at MIT VGS are very committed to teach important life skills to all our students.